context of development of film industry in the state, let me tell you, since the new government took over in the last month of 2014, that is December 2014, since then so many progressive steps have been taken by the state government under the leadership of the Chief Minister Sri Raghuvar Das, and it includes almost all sectors in which the state has the potential. Probably this state was known more as the mineral capital of India, which holds 40% mineral wealth of India. Name a mineral, it is there, right from coal to gold. Diamond, emerald, iron, copper, uranium, so it is all there. So, since it was so much in abundance, people did not discover the other aspect which the state had the potential. So, it is the time when we have to actually let people come and see that it has potential in many other sectors. This state has almost 30% of the geographical area covered by dense forest. One of the densest sal forest in Asia is in Jharkhand. That is called Saranda forest. Some of the wildlife like Project Tiger, Betla Forest Reserve, Project Elephant in Dimna exists there. This is the state which is full of waterfalls. Only the capital city, which is Ranchi, has got 27 waterfalls, ranging from few meters to several feet in height. Some of them are you might have seen in our pavilion in the photographs. So it has got waterfalls. It has huge water dams like Mathan Dam, Tilaya Dam. You have Patratu dams. So huge water bodies, waterfalls, hills, forest, wildlife, and several religious places like Devghar, which is the name itself suggests the home of God. It is one of the Jyotirling which is there. So this is the state. These aspects of the states have not been explored. So when the government took over, it started focusing on those aspects which were still not known to the world. And in this context, we brought several policies. Besides the industrial investment policy, food processing, agriculture, etc., we brought the tourism policy and also the film policy. In 2015, the film policy which was brought, and yesterday if some of you had been present there in our Jharkhand Day celebration, it was well said that it is one of the most progressive film policies in India. And we made it consciously the most progressive, better than any other state in India, for the simple reason that we wanted to get the attention of the people in film industry, come see and explore this state and see the treasure it holds. And thereafter, so what the people want, that how consistent is the government policy? Is it just a rhetoric, or it is something which is completely the stated policy of the state? And therefore this policy which was brought in was well publicized, and since then, since 2015, almost every year we have been getting about 20 to 25 films being shooted there in different locations. And there, if you must have got the names, some of them like Death in Ganj, Begum Jaan, Ranchi Diary, Ajab Singh Ki Gajab Kahani, More Gaon, More Desh. These were some of the successful films which were produced there. Many more are already being shooted there. So this somehow has attracted the attention. So rightly so, we got the status, and with the help of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, in fact, we are very grateful to them to select Jharkhand as the first focus state in IFI 2018. First time they started, and they thought to project Jharkhand, which is something had lot of destinations for film shooting, but yet unexplored. And therefore, this was a privilege and opportunity for us. I must tell you this, when the old, if we go a few years back, when the film industry had a lot of connect, still it has, with Kolkata, many of the Satyajit Ray's film were shooted in Jharkhand. Lot of films are, especially having producers from Bengal, shoot their films in Netarhat, Kiriburu, Topjachi, and others, and have got reflection. But those were all being done in isolation. Now, with the new film policy, it is very clearly done with a very systematic and focused approach. And now I must tell you some of the special features which we have in the film policy. It is not just about filmmaking. It includes training for the all kinds of skills which is needed for filmmaking, right from technician to lightsman to cameraman, etc. It includes processing of the films. So anybody who is interested in processing of films in Jharkhand gets extra incentives. Anybody who comes for training of personnel in filmmaking, they gets the incentive. And those who make films, and I told yesterday also, if half of your shooting days are in Jharkhand, you get incentive as ranging from 1 crore rupees to 2.5 crore rupees. So if a small budget films, they get almost substantial part of the cost recovered or reimbursed by the government. Similarly, if you do 2/3 of your shooting in Jharkhand, you get incentive ranging from 2 crores to 3.5 crores, which also is a good support to the filmmakers. And this also, besides that, there is additional grants for support needed for equipment hiring. Maybe then also there is a support if five of the actors in a film are from Jharkhand, and it is needed to promote actors from Jharkhand, then you get an extra incentive of 50 lakhs rupees. Similarly, if all the actors are from Jharkhand, you get a further additional grant from the government. So these are some of the main features which filmmakers get attracted to. And I'm told a lot of filmmakers have started looking at Jharkhand as the destination. And I must tell you, this is not only about releasing the policy or stating the provisions in the policy, but it is also about executing the policy. And almost about 20 films which got shooted in Jharkhand have got these incentives. So it is not just about saying what is there, it is actually getting it delivered. So, and this is all happening because we have a single window system where everything you do with the filmmaking, you just interact with one person in the department of IPRD, and there you get all the support. And Mr. Rashid, who has recently taken over, is the right person who will take care right from permission to all clearances to actually screening of the film and getting all the incentives. So this is something which we have worked, and this single window works in a real sense. In fact, you might be aware, Jharkhand actually has jumped substantially in ease of doing business. We are number 4 in the whole country in the ease of doing business. So this is for all investment in Jharkhand. Filmmaking is one such investment where you get all single window support. So whole government is behind this, and we are inviting filmmakers, film directors, actors to look at Jharkhand, visit, feel, explore Jharkhand, and actually realize their potential by having shootings done in Jharkhand, having investment done in Jharkhand, and we will be very open to welcome them and give all support. In fact, if there are more shootings, we are planning to dedicate a separate team of police units only to support the film units to do the shootings. And I'm sure those who have done shootings, they have good experience, and you might get their feedbacks also. This is the state which was not so explored, are now open for all kinds of exploration. You can get everything possible to realize your dream and potential. Thank you.